Have you ever felt that the world is moving way too fast? Well, it's not just your imagination. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic promise, it has become the most powerful tool of all time. Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to avoid being swept away by this wave, and how to use AI to work less and earn much more. Forget everything you knew about productivity. What we are about to see here is the path to total automation for your life and your career. Until recently, talking to a machine felt limited. Today, we have models that think, plan, and execute. But the big question is, which tool should you choose? If you want depth and logic, ChatGPT and Gemini remain the kings of the market. However, the real secret of the professionals lies in AI agents. Unlike a regular chat, these agents don't just answer questions. They complete tasks. Imagine an assistant that organizes your emails. And 8 schedules your meetings, without you having to lift a finger. This is already a reality, accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Now, let's talk about what really matters, how to monetize this knowledge. Currently, the hottest market is the world of dark channels, or faceless channels. Using video generation tools, like Runway or Pika Labs, you can create cinematic stories, without ever touching a camera. A designer who used to take 10 hours to create a visual identity, today, delivers superior work in just 30 minutes. The secret is not to replace the human, but to be the human who masters the machine. Those who learn to create the right prompts hold the key to the new job market. Many fear that AI will kill creativity, but, in reality, it is the greatest creative fuel that has ever existed. Think of AI as a co-pilot. It takes care of the boring part, the technical execution, while you focus on the strategy and the emotion. In 2026, the trend is extreme personalization. AIs that learn your writing style and your tone of voice. We are moving from the era of search to the era of immediate answers. The future doesn't belong to machines, but rather to the humans who know how to use them with wisdom. The question I leave for you is, will you continue to just watch the evolution, or will you start leading your own technological journey? If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. The future has already begun, and I will see you in the next video. See you soon.